the Lakme Pro Stylist Studio. It's day 4 Fashion Week. I'm walking for Ritu Kumar today, and we've had a little meet and greet where we've had about 10 to 12 people come. Hi. Okay, everybody take your names starting from this side.
Nisha, Niharika, Rafuza, Sifa, Kajali, Shreya, Rupali, Nidhi, Prachi, Hansi, Hansa.
Okay, so the last few minutes of this meet and greet have basically been all about giving yourself a makeover using Lakme's products. I'm bending so everybody can be seen. Can anybody see? No. Okay, this side. So very often on Snapchat I get these Ask Anam session jhatkas. And the last one unfortunately I couldn't do because my phone wiped out all of the screenshots that I'd taken. So I'm quickly going to go over and give everybody the chance to ask me their questions. And I'm going to answer them right here, and this video is going to go on YouTube. So ask away. Should we start from a particular side? Does anybody want to start with a question? Don't feel shy. Okay, who wants to go first? Go ahead.
Okay, so
Introduce us with your name. Introduce
hi,
yourself.
this is Prachi, and for somebody who has a heavy face like me, sometimes a lot of makeup looks very weird. So what should I do? To contour it and to make it look subtle.
So I don't believe that any makeup can ever look weird because makeup enhances your face. It makes your existing prettiness look even more pretty, right? It's not about creating a different look. It's about enhancing the look that you already have. So like for example, what you've done today with your eyes or your face with a little bit of highlighter, mild contouring, so it doesn't really look artificial, but it looks more natural. That's the kind of makeup regime I would recommend. Can we have the volume of the music turned down just a little bit? Perfect. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, we're back after adjusting. Okay, who's next?
Me.
Sure.
So as we had the session, I want you to tell them how you told us about mixing the eyeliners, which is a very different thing, and I've done it after you showed me.
So I think that a lot of people mix lip shades and blushers and highlighters, but we don't always end up mixing our eyeliners so much. Now you took my advice and you did a very good job.
Thank
Now
you.
normally if I was doing this, I would put the black on the outside, but like you said, you were looking for a more dramatic, for a more statement look, which is why you went for the combination that you did. But yeah, I think more people need to do a little bit more gradient work on their eyeliners, their kajals, because I think it looks really cool. And Lakme's new range actually is brilliant for that because the products blend in so nicely with each other. And I'm going to give a closer look at your eye makeup. There you go. Who's next? Just ask away. Sure, go for it.
So Anam, you should tell about this scare of my pink lipsticks you thrown away. So
Well.
right now I'm wearing a bright pink lipstick, and she suggested me, and now it's looking rocking on me. So go for it, girls.
Yay! So I was so surprised when I heard for the first time someone saying I'm scared of pink lipsticks because they look so nice and pretty, and I think that more people need to try them. So yeah, they do look really nice. Does anybody have a question? Go for it.
Is it compulsory to blush when you bronze?
I believe in blushers in general as a product because I feel like a little bit of color goes a long way, especially if you're out for the whole day. By the end of the day, you don't want to look tired. So I just think it looks really nice in general. I don't think it's necessary, but I do think it would look better. So yeah, I would recommend it personally. Yeah.
This is not really a question as such, but I never knew how to apply wing liner, and Anam taught me, and I've just done it perfectly after you can see it.
I love how it looks on you.
And not it perfectly, but like
No, but for someone who's trying it
Yeah,
like
for
the
the
first
first
time, I think it's really brilliant. So all those of you who've been slightly scared of trying the wingtips, the cat eye or anything experimental with
really
their eyes, I think everybody should try it, like at least once in their life. Anybody here have questions? I love what you've done with your lips. It looks so good.
so you only made me confident for going this bold lips. So thank you so much.
No, I love the fact that people are becoming more experimental with their makeup. I think that this whole thing about you being a certain skin type and then not wearing certain colors is rubbish. You just need to understand that lipsticks are it's a kind of self-expression through makeup, and as long as you're confident enough to wear it, great. Now, all the questions done? I don't want to miss anybody, so if anybody has questions, you have a question? Go for it.
I really wanted to ask you from where did you get this bag from a long time.
So if you tap the details on that picture,
I did actually.
so this picture is all over my Instagram and I know I get a lot of comments for it. I bought it from Primark on my trip to London. You guys need to follow my YouTube channel because over there I did like a whole shopping haul for everyone. Yeah, okay, everybody's seen it except you, sorry. So it's basically a part, one of the bags that I picked up from my shopping haul. I think I picked that one up from London, the London Primark. I'm gonna flip this camera around because it's part of the contest for the passes. Initially we were gonna give 2 away, one who gets to take 1 bag, but now I'm zooming in on everybody's makeup. And we're gonna give 3 more passes, so that means we're giving 5 passes away. What we're basically gonna do is go around, make the announcements on who gets the passes. Guys, for the first time, that's a really good job for someone who's doing their cat eyes for the first time. It's genuinely sick, but I think it's amazing. You wore pink lips and you did a good smoky eye in one day. Thank you. It's not easy to do a good smoky eye, you guys. That's amazing. I'm so happy. And I've got basically one more window to get their last one. It is John. Was the passport. And technically, you get this because you get to take
You know, she needed this because she's not that much into makeup, but she experimented today. I'm very happy.
That's so nice, really. Let's give you the biggest round of applause. Yay, you! And I love how you picked turquoise as a color because it went with your look. That's what personally I liked a lot. Because your black was already sorted there because of what I did. But the fact that you picked the right color to go with your look is what I really liked about it.
I must say,
It fit in really well as a look.
I must say, I picked few tips what you said, sorry for my voice. So I kind of mixed and matched and it looked weird. Then I asked him and he suggested go for a nude. So I mixed nude.
I think it was a great call. But seriously, all of you guys so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Such amazing sports today. I'm sorry that I didn't have enough passes for everyone, but I will arrange for it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'll do pictures.
Say cheese.
Cheers.
Hi, this is Nidhi.
Hi, this is Prachi.
Okay, so the thing I liked most about today is my sister never used to wear makeup. She was always scared of that, but only because of Anam. Here she has experimented a very lovely look and I'm proud of her.
Thank you so much, Anu, for this lovely session. Thank you so much, Lakme, for the goodies.
Thank you.
Trying the bold lips for the first time was a great experience. Anam showed us, so yeah, it was a great experience. Thank you. So I've never experimented with the wing liner, and Anam taught me how to use and apply the wing liner, and I've really done a good job at it, I feel. And I congratulate Anam. She's going to get married very soon, so I just wish her good luck and have a happy life.
I love the way she contoured, and I will be trying this more often because this looks so good on me. Of pink lipstick, so it went away because of Anam, and now I'm applying it. So go for it, girls, apply it and rock it.